It's changing joy.
Hello friend, improve your vocabulary daily routine. Let's start. Wake up. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Take a shower. Get dressed. Brush your hair. Put on makeup. Make your bed. Have a breakfast. Go to school. Drive to work. Work. Study. Wash your hand. Have a lunch. Off to school. Get home. Take a nap. Have a snack. Play computer game. Read a book. Ride a bike. Do homework. Go shopping. Do exercise. Mop the floor. Take out the trash. Water the lawn. Go for a walk. Watch TV. Do the laundry. Hang the cloth. Iron the cloth. Make dinner. Have a dinner. Do the dishes. Take a bath. Dye your hair. Go to bed and sleep. If you like my video, then like my video and subscribe to the channel.